Hey friends,
I'm Mike.
and I'm Karen, and we are the Baskets. Join us as we begin flipping the farm.
All right, so last week we left you with the announcement of a big surprise being delivered. Mike had to run off, but we just finished wrapping up our week 11 vlog for you guys, and it is still Friday, and our tractor was just delivered, so that's really cool. Kelly and Rhonda were here for that, and so Kelly just jumped on it and started playing around and leveling out the front a little bit. Now then, it is actually Saturday morning, and this is what's going on. Week 12 vlog is officially in the works. So as you can see, the guys were messing with the ram set, attaching some of the siding, and we are showing Mike the tractor for the first time. So this was actually an exciting moment for us all because, you know, you live on a farm, you gotta have a tractor. And we all had our fair share of playtime on the tractor throughout the day. You'll see later on.
Kelly's out there moving brush, getting the piles ready to burn when we get another calm day. Rhonda is out making sure there's nothing in the field that he will run over when he runs the brush hog over it. She's getting all the wire and hay twine, cinder blocks, whatever's out there. Mike is about to start knocking all this siding off. I'm going to be helping him with this, hauling it to the burn pile, but there is a lot of stuff happening today.
It's Saturday.
I think Mike and I both were pretty pumped about getting this siding removed because it's kind of one of the first things you see when driving down the road is this side of the house, the west side of the house. So yeah, this was definitely a big, thrilling moment for us. It was incredibly windy out today, but we decided to go ahead and use the wrap, the Lowe's wrap. Yes, it's upside down because that's the way we unrolled it, but it's all getting covered up, so it's all good. So this is the moisture barrier wrap that we'll be putting on, and then we'll put our hardy board siding over the top of that. At the end of the day, Mike and I both just had a turn on the tractor and got a feel for it. This was my first time driving a tractor since I was a kid, so that was a lot of fun. Then we got back to work, putting up a few more pieces of siding before we wrapped up the day completely. Sunday was just pretty laid back. Took my mom out to the farm. Mike was shredding the backfield, so we just kind of walked around and enjoyed the beautiful sunset. And then on Monday, the plumbers came by and filled in all the ditches. And it was a super rainy day out, so we really did not get much accomplished on Monday. Just kind of took the day off and enjoyed running around doing some errands and things like that. And then on Tuesday, we were back at it installing the hardy board siding. Okay, and so another thing we've been dying to do is take out this sliding glass door and little closed-in area where they maybe once had a window unit. So that was kind of fun, demoing this little section of the wall. A little action shot for you here. The plans for this wall will be a smaller doorway opening with a sliding barn door here. Here's the view from the spare room side, and then the view from the living room side. And I, of course, couldn't resist the beautiful view at the end of the day. And we've had so much rain over the last couple of days. It's really needing to be mowed again already.
All right, so it's kind of a sad day because we sold our dining table that we've had since the kids were little bitty. Sold that today. And then we sold the chair and ottoman and the couch. So the house is looking a little bit empty. Salem is kind of freaking out because she does not know what to do. There's no furniture. But yeah, things are dwindling down. And, you know, I told you my mom had been here. She went home yesterday. But we've got a lot of things packed up and ready for a garage sale. So that'll be happening hopefully in the next couple of weeks. Hey you guys, it is Thursday. It is such a crazy day. We've been having like ridiculous amounts of rain here in Oklahoma. Not complaining, just letting you know. It's like flood zone in some areas. And I just came out of the post office and it was hailing. So, I mean, like pea size, not a big deal, but I was freaking out a little bit because I don't take my car out very often because I'm trying to keep it like really nice and pristine for as long as possible. But anyways, I am headed to the farm. Mike is already there working and it is so stinking muddy. Anyways, just letting you know, this week is a very short week for us at the farm because, you know, it's Mother's Day weekend. We are about to take a little trip and go see some family and hang out and stuff. So yeah, just a little bit here and there at the farm this week, but didn't want to leave you guys out. So about to be there and you can see what we're doing today, and then we'll give you a little overview of our week.
Hello everybody.
What you up to?
Got my English accent on today. Well, because we are going to be putting wood on top of cement. When they built the house, they put the cinder block on first, and then they put the cement. And so all of these cracks are where termites could come up, and they would love to eat our wood. So I'm sealing this with a cement product that seals cracks.
And today pretty much consisted of building this wall that is between my studio and our master bedroom. And that is literally what we did in the few hours we were here today. So just sit back and watch.
Hey, tell us about this OSB board real quick.
A friend of ours, they were cleaning out a warehouse, they were cleaning out their workspace, and there were 3 sheets of this down in the basement, and they were gonna throw it away, and we were like, oh no, we'll take that, it's free. And so, yeah, so I knew I needed to do this for Karen's office, or studio, so it's gonna be great.
Hey there.
Hey guys.
Another week in the books. Week
Wow.
12 already.
Hard to believe. I guess you liked our surprise. We got our tractor delivered. That was really amazing. And just so you know, our partners, Karen's got on her R&B design, Kelly and Rhonda, they were wanting a tractor out at their place. And so we said, well, hey, you know, let's split the cost and we'll flip-flop back and forth. They'll take it and we'll take it and we'll just make it work in that direction.
So that was the big surprise.
Yeah, that was that part of the surprise. And then this week, I'll let Karen tell you what Monday was all about.
Monday is our chill day. So we just took the day off, ran our errands, and just took some time off. And
then Tuesday we got in, I think 2 hours. Wednesday we got in like 3 hours. Today we got in, I don't know, 5 or 6.
And built this amazing wall behind us.
That's going to be kind of cool.
Yeah, this is in my studio, and Mike had this really great idea because there was going to be a lot of dead space between
the cinder block wall and the studded walls. So this is going to be a cool shelving unit for my Karen Basket DIY studio.
Yeah, and so it was a little bit extra work trying to figure out where all the studs went, but we figured it out, and she'll have approximately 7 foot across and about 6 foot high of pure shelf space, and it'll make a really nice little addition to her studio.
Yep. We also had our HVAC guy, Tim from Woolsey HVAC, came out and gave us a quote for our HVAC. And then Jimmy, our door guy,
window guy.
Yep, he came out and gave us a little insight for doors and windows, and will be taking care of us when that time comes.
Yeah, and I can, the funny thing about it, I've put in doors and windows. I've done plenty of them. I'm a lot slower than other people. You probably already noticed that on some of the videos. Very meticulous, but I also don't do it all the time. And Jimmy's phenomenal.
Excellent.
So he's just got an incredible ability to do the things that he does. He's a very, very talented guy.
Yep. So this week was short, like we mentioned earlier, but we're taking off a couple of days for Mother's Day weekend, gonna visit family and
go see our moms.
All that fun stuff. So
hope you guys have a fabulous Mother's Day as well.
Hope you guys have a good one, and we will see you next week.
All right, take care.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and ring that notification bell, and share. We would love for you to share our vlog. Thanks so much for watching.